Greetings from Chazon's Adamah farm here in Connecticut. As you can see, we're looking at so many new leaves bursting forth with life this season, having started as just a seed. And we get to celebrate the miracle here of this growth and of this rebirth of the season. On the Hebrew calendar, we're in the month of Nisan, which takes place in the spring, and it's also when Passover happens. Passover is another story of that regrowth and rebirth, when our ancestors were led out of bondage into liberation, out of slavery, and liberated from Mitzrayim, from the narrow place. And so we think about that rebirth and that regrowth and that hope that our ancestors had, and looking at the regrowth and rebirth of the seeds that are sprouting forth in this same season. So wishing you and yours a Chag Pesach Sameach, a happy, happy Passover, and a wonderful spring full of rebirth and regrowth and hope.